Most people get this wrong when choosing email marketing software. They think more features automatically mean more sales. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best email marketing tool is not the most complex one. It is the one that helps you send consistent emails that actually get opened and clicked. In this video, you will learn the best email marketing software for small business in 2026, what makes them different, and how to choose the right one without wasting time or money. Let's get right into it. First, understand what email marketing software actually does. It helps you collect emails, send campaigns, automate messages, and track results like open rates and clicks. So when Alex runs a small online store, he can automatically send welcome emails, promotions, and follow-ups without doing everything manually. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most tools look similar, but the real difference is in automation, ease of use, and deliverability. That last one matters more than people think, because if your emails go to spam, nothing else matters. But here's the problem most small business owners face. They pick a tool that is too advanced, get overwhelmed, and stop using email marketing altogether. Then they lose one of the highest ROI marketing channels available. Let's break down the top types of email marketing software in 2026. First, beginner-friendly tools. These are simple, clean, and designed for people who are just starting. They focus on drag and drop emails, basic automation, and easy contact management. If John runs a local bakery, he can use this to send weekly offers without any technical skills. Second, all-in-one marketing platforms. These tools include email, landing pages, funnels, and automation. They are powerful, but can feel heavy if you are just starting out. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make when setting up their first email automation, and this is where most businesses lose subscribers without realizing it. Third, advanced automation tools. These are built for scaling businesses. They allow complex workflows, segmentation, and behavior-based emails. Great for growing brands, but not always necessary for beginners. Now let's talk about the most popular email marketing tools in 2026. MailChimp is still widely used because it is beginner-friendly and easy to set up. ConvertKit is strong for creators and personal brands. ActiveCampaign is powerful for automation and customer journeys. And platforms like Brevo offer affordable all-in-one features for small businesses. So how do you choose the right one? Step 1 is simplicity. If you are new, do not overcomplicate it. Step 2 is your goal. If you want sales funnels, choose automation-focused tools. If you want simple newsletters, choose basic tools. Step 3 is consistency. Email marketing only works if you send regularly. Here is a real example. Alex starts with a complex tool and never sends emails because it feels overwhelming. Then he switches to a simple platform and starts sending weekly updates. Within weeks, engagement improves because consistency finally happens. So is there one best email marketing software for small business in 2026? No, 2. The best choice depends on your goals, your experience, and how much complexity you can realistically manage. To wrap it up, the best email marketing software in 2026 is the one that helps you stay consistent, build relationships with customers, and grow your business without stress. If this helped you, like the video, leave a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you grow smarter online.